Should we care about AI bias?
AI bias is not a theory. It is happening right now, shaping real lives in ways many people never see. In 2019, the journal Science released a study that pulled the cover off bias in healthcare AI, exposing bias in a healthcare algorithm used for over 200 million Americans. The system was designed to identify patients who needed extra care. But instead of looking at medical need, it measured past healthcare spending. Since less money is usually spent on Black patients, due to systemic inequality, the system wrongly assumed they were healthier. The results were harsh. At the same level of illness, only 18% of Black patients were flagged for extra care, compared to 46% of white patients. This meant millions of sick Black patients risked being overlooked. In the courts, judges in several states turned to a system called COMPAS, used to predict who might commit crimes again. A 2016 investigation by ProPublica revealed that Black defendants were almost twice as likely as white defendants to be labeled high risk even when they did not commit another offense. Meanwhile, white defendants were marked safer, even when they commit crimes over and over again. These scores influenced bail, sentencing, and parole decisions. Later studies found that COMPAS sometimes reduced the number of people in jail overall. But the way it judged people was uneven. Black defendants were more likely to be labeled high risk and punished more harshly, while white defendants often got the benefit of the doubt. Bias is built into the way the system defines fairness, meaning injustice can be repeated in silence. Another danger comes from facial recognition systems. MIT researchers found that it misidentified Black women more than 1 out of every 3 times, while it almost never misidentified white men. Police in the United States and the United Kingdom have already used this technology to make arrests. That means innocent Black people have been accused and even jailed based on a flawed computer system. These are not accidents. They are the direct result of bias buried in the data. AI bias matters because it multiplies racism quietly. It does not shout slurs or pass a racist law. It simply repeats discrimination at a speed and a scale human alone could never reach.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.